In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Gmail account. Now open your Gmail, right? So this is it. So I created this account and I'm going to show you how you can delete yours. Now if you want to do this, click on this, click on manage your account, wait for it to load up. You're going to see a search icon above, right? Click on it. Come on here, type in delete. So you're going to see delete your account. So I'm going to click on it. So what you need to do now is you need to enter the required details, right? So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on the done, on the done, right? I'm going to click on the next. So I'll wait for it to open up. So you're going to be asked if you love to delete this, right? So click on this, click on this, click on delete account. So wait for it to open up. I just deleted the Gmail account. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. Like this video and subscribe if you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next video.